Now, Bihar Deputy CM Samrat Chaudhary has said that agricultural exports will be doubled through Made in Bihar scheme. He says if NDA returns to power in Bihar, 100 MSME parks to be set up under Vocal for Local pledge. He also promised gig workers, auto drivers with financial help and skill development. Let's listen in.
और तीसरा जो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है, अति पिछड़ा वर्ग को आर्थिक और सामाजिक बल देना। अति पिछड़ा वर्ग के विभिन्न समूह तांती, ततमा, निषाद, मल्ला, केवट, गंगौता, बिंद, नोनिया, तेली, तमोली, बढ़ई, धानुक, लोहार, कुम्हार, नाई, शिल्पीकार, ठठेरा, माली, चंद्रवंशी, हलवाई, कानू, दांगी, तुराहा, आमद, केवट, राजवंशी, गड़ेरिया और इत्यादि को 10 लाख रुपए की सहायता देंगे। एवं जो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है कि हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट के रिटायर्ड जज की अध्यक्षता में एक उच्च स्तरीय समिति का गठन करेंगे जो अति पिछड़ा वर्ग की विभिन्न जातियों के सामाजिक आर्थिक स्थिति का आकलन करके इन जातियों को सशक्तिकरण के लिए न्यायोचित कदम उठाने का सरकार को सुझाव देगी।
All right, I have Shikha Salaria back with me. Shikha, what can you tell us about this particular statement?
Clearly the EBC group is one of the biggest groups in Bihar. They matter a lot, and we've seen over the years a lot of parties, starting with Nitish Kumar, have tried to reach out to the EBCs. Lalu Yadav also during his regime had been reaching out to the EBCs, but what Nitish Kumar did was create a separate class of the Mahadalits and ensure that they are looked after. He doled out special schemes for the EBCs. So clearly in this, in the 21st year of his rule now, because he's already he's ruled for 20 years now, so this will be the 21st year, he's again reaching out to the EBCs and ensuring that his vote bank is intact. And this is not only Nitish Kumar but also the BJP that is going to try to ensure that the NDA clearly maintains its vote bank of the EBCs intact.
All right, Shikha, stay on with me. Now, BJP national spokesperson Guru Prakash Paswan has made a statement on NDA's joint Sankalp Patra. He says, we're preparing a background for developed India. How can Viksit Bharat play a decisive role in Viksit Bharat 2047 with two aims? IIT, Patna, IIM, Bodh Gaya, Nalanda International University, Darbhanga Airport, Purnia Airport, Bihar has transformed. Let's listen in.
देखिए, विकसित बिहार की पृष्ठभूमि की तैयारी हो रही है। विकसित भारत 2047 में विकसित बिहार एक निर्णायक भूमिका कैसे अदा करे। दो ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेज, IIT पटना, IIM बोध गया, नालंदा इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी, दरभंगा एयरपोर्ट, पूर्णिया एयरपोर्ट, बिहार की सूरत बदल गई है। बिहार आने वाले समय में न्यू एज इकोनॉमी, AI का हब कैसे बने, वी आर ऑल लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट। आप देखिए, ये विकसित बिहार की गाथा, विकसित बिहार के रोड मैप की तैयारी की घोषणा आज होने वाली है।
Now, in the manifesto, Kisan Samman Nidhi assistance to be increased from 6,000 to 9,000, while assistance to fishermen will be increased from 4,500 to 9,000. Apart from increasing the assistance, there is a promise of guaranteed MSP for all crops. The manifesto also promises rupees 1 lakh crore investment in agri-infrastructure. And I have my colleague Shikha Salaria joining me. Shikha, now this is of course a big promise that is being made. What more can you tell us?
Yes, clearly the farmers have always been a talking point in all the manifestos, not only in Bihar but also in UP and across northern part of India. The farmers continue to be one of the biggest vote banks of both the coalition governments, whether it is NDA or the Mahagathbandhan. So the farmers have always been at the center of any manifesto that we've seen been released ahead of any election. This continues a trend in Bihar as well, where the farmers have been promised that their Kisan Samman Nidhi will be increased from 6,000 to 9,000. And not only this, but a guaranteed MSP. Remember, MSP is a promise that has always resonated among farmers. The farmers have always insisted. There have been groups of farmers, there have been outfits leading agitations seeking a guaranteed MSP, and that is exactly what the NDA has also promised to address. Although we haven't seen really such a major agitation happening in Bihar, but the farmers had been demanding here as well that the MSP be retained at any cost, and the minimum support price for their crops be fixed. And they had been issuing a voice of support to farmers that had been protesting elsewhere in other states. So clearly the NDA has tried to address that concern, and it has promised that if chosen to power once again, the MSP will be guaranteed to the farmers. Along with that, we also have a promise about the agri infrastructure and its investment. So the NDA has promised about 1 lakh crore of investment in the agri infrastructure plan, and it plans to create agri infra projects across Bihar. Bihar has been a state without a major push for investment for a very, very long time, and the NDA has been now claiming that the investment will be doubled. The slogan is that Bihar pakdega raftar, और बिहार को रफ्तार देने के लिए investment की जरूरत पड़ेगी. So clearly a push to investment, and to ensure that not only investment comes to Bihar, but also it gets pace in Bihar. Development takes pace in Bihar. For that, it is important to bring investment, and that's what the NDA has promised.